Don't scratch it.
I said to the guy, I said, what was the quality of the respray like? He said, oh yeah, it was absolutely mint.
You know what?
But it's terrible.
The guy didn't talk sense.
How you doing? You alright? Just having a look at what I bought. So yeah, if you want to just reverse it into here, do you think you can do that? You could take the, I guess, yeah, because you'd have to take the trailer off, right? If you want to, you can reverse the trailer into that entrance, unhitch it, and then come back out.
Can I go on the grass a little bit and turn around?
You might get stuck. I'd be worried that you get stuck.
I'm really drive with Queen on the back, so I think I should be fine.
You reckon you'll be alright, yeah? Well, unless you just want to unhitch it and we'll just push it round into there. Do you want to do that?
Heavy. This guy is spring.
You want to just hold it?
How is it looking at the back now? Better? Yeah, spot on.
Yeah, it looks alright. Looks alright. If you come down straight at that, you'll probably be semi-okay.
You know what? We'll have to push it again.
Okay.
This guy is spring.
We're off. We're done. It's off.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah, it's off. All four wheels are on the floor.
Can you open this? And I will take the wheel.
Oh, turn it back on. I was filming it.
Oh, okay.
It's alive!
I can't believe it will work, could you?
No,
Oh, it doesn't look as swampy in here as I thought.
because we've hoovered it all out.
Oh my god.
got the experts on it now.
Clearly.
Look at that side car. Look at the floor, carpet in the front.
Oh! Oh!
Just done all that leading through the window.
I really wasn't expecting that.
No, nobody ever does. Starter's clicking. Are you recording still, darling?
Yeah.
So, I want you to send this to Chris.
To Chris? Oh, yeah.
The incredible we get done straight away. The impossible just takes us a little bit longer.
Why don't you send it to that knob rash that was wasting your time all morning?
Oh, he's a bell end, isn't he, that guy?
Wipe is scraping.
Well, they work, don't they?
They do. Just.
I really can't. I just wanted to see it moving more quickly.
Ooh!
Oh.
I can't believe the wipers work. What the hell?
You might damage the windscreen though.
Oh yeah, I don't want to crack the windscreen.
Definitely don't want to damage the windscreen. Well, the wipers work, the rear lights work.
That crack couldn't have happened before on the while it was being transported, could it?
No.
No.
They didn't tell me about it. They know about it.
Was that not in the pictures?
It was, but the pictures were so bad you couldn't tell.
Oh yeah.
The pictures were really blurry, weren't they?
Yeah.
The WD-40 will fix everything.
Oh yeah. WD-40 gaffer tape and
Cable ties.
cable ties.
Just wish we could open the door. It'd be just so much better.
Do you think you can get the door open?
Not so far.
No, I think the keys broke off in the lock on this side.
Oh.
One of the keys is broken. And none of the keys feel like they're even trying to really go into the lock properly.
No.
But I presume they are the right ones.
Baby, you're not absolutely freezing.
Am I not freezing? Oh, I've got a jumper on.
Ooh. It's icy out here.
So it's the same though, when you first come out it feels really cold and then when you're busy
I'm surprised the boot lining looks like that.
Yeah.
I'm the expert on it.
I really thought that, I don't know, I was expecting like it to have moss growing in it. Oh God.
It's accumulated around the windscreen. It's just crazy.
It's nuts, isn't it?
3 of the lights are flashing brighter than the left one. Oh no, hang on. It's changed
they all
now.
look the
No,
same.
look, that one.
Oh, that one's just probably got a loose connection.
Yeah, because it came on a minute ago.
Is that off now?
Yeah, it's off now.
I was wondering if I could just sort of kick on the door here, you know, to try and free it off.
There's an American flag in it.
I know there is, yeah. I feel like an 80s American criminal.
Oh well, what's this?
That's a new American sun visor thing.
It's just the mechanism that's not actually doing anything yet. So I think it's like if it's still locked.
Just gonna get a